thank you so much for helping me get to 200 visits on my game, and this is day 4 of advertising my game on YouTube. And I would like to thank all my supporters on my journey to getting 1000 Robux, and if you would want to support me by donating, there is a game on Roblox called Developer Donations. And if you go on and click the gift button on the left-hand side and type in my username that I showed in the video, then that would be very much appreciated.